Today, we'll be talking to TTT Markets trader Michael. Michael from the Czech Republic started trading with us within the last few months, and since trading with us has accumulated over $38,000 in rewards. Join us today as we discuss his journey to success and becoming one of the top TTT Markets traders. Michael, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. And you?
Yeah, very well, thank you. Very well. Can you introduce yourself to the audience? Tell us a little bit about you and where you're from.
Yeah, okay. My name is Michael, and I'm from the Czech Republic, and I'm trading over past, I think it's over 8 years, maybe something like 9 years, and I only trade XUSD.
Amazing. How did you first get into trading?
Uh, yeah, I think I started around 2013 with the crypto. I started buying the crypto in the spot, and after like 2 or 3 years, I am starting looking on the forex
Mhm.
and I start trading. First, I start only the pairs, and after couple of years, I left every pair and just stay on the gold. Sometimes I trade also the oil or the silver.
Okay. So what made you transfer from crypto to Forex?
I think more bigger exposure. I want to make the more things, and also mostly in crypto. I was in the spot. I started with the forex because the better chance to make more money.
Okay, so you've been with TTT Markets for 3, 4 months now. Could you tell us a little bit about your journey, how you started, which account size you've been trading on, and some of your more recent payouts?
Yeah, okay. The first I started with 100K account, and I think I failed in like three challenges. But the another one was the winning one, and my first payout was something like 4,800, and I buy 500K account.
Mhm,
But here I was a little slow because I don't want to burn it.
mhm.
So it take me like 2.5 months to pass everything and to do first payout. And the first payout on that 500, 100K account was 33,000.
Amazing, amazing. Could you tell us a little bit about, your journey with prop firms? Have you traded with some other prop firms before? How have you found the experience on other prop firms versus TTT Markets?
Yeah, actually, I'm trading over, I think it's eight or nine prop firms,
Mhm,
and I tried many prop firms, but in many prop firms, I have the problems with the changing rules and things like they call it the toxic trading, because the many prop firms are just the scamming the people,
mhm.
and they always will find the reason why they don't give you the payout. So here I am happy that I never had any problem, and also the team is very friendly, and I have the many questions on the support, and I can say that everything is perfect.
That's amazing. I'm really pleased to hear it. Could you tell us a little bit about your strategy? Could you tell us about your psychology as well? Should we start off with strategy? You said that you're trading gold. Could you elaborate a little bit more on that?
Yeah, I'm only trading the gold, as you said, and the mostly I'm using the EMA and SMA to just 200.
Okay.
And I'm using my own Fibonacci levels, like 88, 71.
Hmm.
And I'm always starting with my analysis on 4 hours time frame, and then I'm going down, and I'm using like maybe sometimes 3 or 4 Fibonacci levels, uh, trend lines, and of course the EMA and SMA.
Okay.
And I am always waiting for the price to make the retracement. And after retracement into my zone, I am not just entering because the price come into my zone. I'm always like looking for like structure from the candles. I'm always looking for like 2 or 3 candles, what are good candles that I doesn't like the big wicks and things like this. And if it's everything good, I will enter, and I'm using the stop loss only 15 pips, and my usual take profit is something around 100, 150. but
Mhm.
I'm always letting the some runners to go. So I will just close every time like 80% of my position and left I'm like
Mhm.
that. So and this is the also a reason why my payout is so big because the gold is actually running to the sky, and I had around 4 or 5 runners. And that make me, I think it was 18K that I withdraw from that runners.
Yeah, gold's been an all-time high right now, isn't it? Everything's going crazy with
Yeah,
gold.
actually, it's crazy. I think now we are on 4,200. Yeah, actually, it's
It's
crazy.
crazy. Crazy times. So, could you tell us a little bit about the psychology behind prop firm accounts? Some of the audience might be trading on, let's say, their own personal accounts or the smaller account sizes of 5 or 10K. Could you discuss a little bit about sort of the level up that you need to take in terms of your psychology to be able to trade
Mhm.
200K accounts, 350K accounts, 500K accounts?
Yeah, I think the bigger problem of the people who are trading the prop firm is that they don't have patience. I usually take sometimes like 1 or 2 trades per week. Sometimes I'm just the sitting of all week on the charts. I'm trading just New York session, so I'm trading every day from Monday to Friday around 4 or 5 hours,
Mhm.
and I'm always waiting. If chance doesn't appear, I don't go inside the market. And just you must work with your own mind and build the correct strategy. You must make back testing of the everything.
Mhm.
So I think the biggest problem of the people is the patient.
Could you tell us a little bit about where you first came into touch with TTT Markets? Did you see us on social media? Where did you see us?
Yeah, the first time when I see you, it was on the social media. I think it was the
Mhm.
Facebook ads, and I'm always looking for the prop firms, and I first start to following them and check a bit check them a little bit more, and after a couple of weeks I will try to buy the smallest account, and I'm slowly trying to play with them and to see how they are, and yeah, this is the way how I find you.
Perfect, perfect. Could you tell us a little bit about your future goals? Where you'd like to be maybe within the next 6 months, a year, 2 years? What's your plan and your strategy? Are you going to get more prop firm accounts or are you going to try and
Yeah.
max your allocation with TTT markets? What's your plan? What's your strategy?
Yeah, actually, I am looking for the max allocations,
Hmm.
and in the near future, uh, as I say, I trade many prop firms, and I'm always when I make the payout, I put 80% back to my own retail accounts, and
Hmm.
20% I take for me like some kind of motivation.
Hmm.
And in future, I want to scale my own retail account and make more and more payouts and build my own account. And then I don't know. We will see.
Yeah. Is this a full-time job for you? Is this part-time? Are you doing trading full-time now?
uh, yeah, actually, over the past 2 years, it's a full-time job.
Amazing. Michael, appreciate you coming on the call. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to do a quick, short interview with us. Hopefully, this will be the first of many, and within another 6 months, a year, we will also have another chance to catch up and speak on how maybe your strategy has evolved and where you are in terms of payouts for TTT markets.
Yeah, amazing. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much, Michael. Thank you.